Jeff Hansen, Window Warriors Forum. Check us out, windowcleaningwarriors.com. Today we're taking a look at a site we're working on. We've actually been out here. This is our third day. Just finishing up today. So what we have is a senior community. It's like condos. So you have some nursing home type stuff, and then you also have some townhomes. So we have 15 sets of townhomes, and those are 2 to a set. We clean those in and out. We have 4-story condo that you can see behind us, which is probably 2 city blocks. Let's flip this around. Take a look here. So you have it starting over here, 4 stories high. We clean all that outside only. It even wraps up even further over this way with a nursing home, and then obviously it's the back side of all this here. So here's the reason for the video is, so garden homes, these are the townhomes here, 14 sets of these, inside and outside. We're using a squeegee applicator, traditional wash on those, but when we do this 4-story stuff, that's all water fed. So being versatile in the equipment you use, some say, what's better, water fed or trad? If you're able to do both, you're ahead of the game. You can take on a job like this because you're not going to sit here and use a 40-foot ladder to ladder these for a couple days, and then even on the farthest end they go up almost 50 feet plus because there's an underground garage there. So just look at what you can accomplish if you have a variety of tools. There's stuff that you have to get up on a roof for. This roof actually has roof anchors on it, set up in the asphalt shingles. Great design. This was built new in, I was just 4 years ago. We've been doing it since then. Being versatile, traditional methods of squeegeeing, water-fed poles, boom lifts, high-rise. If you can do everything, it just opens up the scope of work. So this is a job that takes 3 days. We're looking at just over 20 grand on this job, and it's kind of a big job you can get into. You can go knock on doors, you get a yes for a house, you're going to be washing windows for a couple hours. You go to a facility like this, you get 1 yes, you have work for a crew of guys for a couple of days, which is pretty nice. So that's kind of why we lean towards that mid to high rise, because the jobs are bigger, our seasons start earlier, they go longer into the season, and rain days, we always have plenty of stuff to do. Just one look at a job site. Reason why we like the mid to high-rise buildings and the larger properties, and why we have such a wide range of equipment that we use. Different things for different jobs, when to use it, when not to. It's out here, Window Warriors Forum.